Starting a blog might seem like a huge undertaking, but the truth is, it's never been easier to share your voice with the world. Whether you're passionate about fashion, fitness, finance, or just want to document your daily life, blogging gives you a platform to express yourself, build an audience, and even make money. But before you dive in, there's a strategy behind every successful blog. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start a blog the right way, without getting overwhelmed. First, let's get one thing straight. You don't need to be a tech expert, a professional writer, or a celebrity to start a blog. All you need is a clear purpose and a willingness to learn. So, start by asking yourself, why do you want to blog? Is it to share knowledge, build a personal brand, promote a business, or generate passive income? Getting clear on your why will shape everything, from your blog's name to your content strategy. Once you've nailed down your purpose, the next step is picking a niche. The internet is crowded, and readers gravitate toward blogs that offer something specific. Lifestyle is too broad. But minimalist living for busy moms? That's a niche. Choose a topic you're genuinely passionate about, but also make sure there's an audience for it. Do a little research, check Google Trends, visit forums, and see what similar blogs are doing. Find that sweet spot between your interests and what people are searching for. With your niche in place, it's time to name your blog. Your blog name should be simple, memorable, and give people a sense of what you're about. Try to avoid hard-to-spell words or overly clever puns that won't be clear to your audience. Once you've got a name in mind, check to see if the domain is available. A domain is your blog's web address, like yourblogName.com. You can buy one from platforms like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or even directly through your blogging platform. Now comes the tech part. But don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. You'll need a blogging platform and web hosting. WordPress.org is the most popular and flexible option, and it's free, but you'll need to pay for hosting. Companies like Bluehost, SiteGround, and Hostinger offer affordable plans that include one-click WordPress installation, free domain registration, and basic support. Once set up, you can choose a theme to design your blog. There are thousands of free and premium themes, so pick one that suits your style and niche. Keep it clean, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. With your site live, it's time to start writing. Your first few posts should introduce your blog and what readers can expect. From there, aim to create content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem. Remember, your blog isn't a diary. It's about your audience. Think of your ideal reader and write for them. Use clear headlines. Break up your text with subheadings and images, and always aim to provide value. Quality beats quantity, but consistency is key. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, stick to a publishing schedule you can manage. Don't forget to optimize your posts for SEO, search engine optimization. That means using keywords people are actually typing into Google, writing compelling titles, and using meta descriptions and alt text for images. SEO is how you get discovered organically. Tools like Yoast SEO for WordPress can guide you through the process, but also remember, write for humans, not just algorithms. If your content connects, people will come back. Next, set up your social media channels. Choose platforms where your target audience hangs out: Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Share your posts, engage with followers, and become part of the conversation in your niche. Social media is your biggest tool for getting traffic early on, before Google rankings kick in. As you grow, you'll want to build an email list. Email subscribers are your most loyal readers. Use tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit to add opt-in forms to your blog. Offer something valuable in exchange for an email, like a free checklist, guide, or ebook. Once you have a list, you can send updates, exclusive content, or promote products directly to your readers. And yes, eventually you can monetize. But don't rush. Focus on building trust and community first. When you're ready, you can make money through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, selling your own products or services, or displaying ads with platforms like Google AdSense. Many bloggers turn their hobby into a full-time income over time, but it all starts with value and consistency. Lastly, don't get discouraged if traffic is slow at first. Every successful blog started with 0 readers. Stay patient, keep creating, and always look to improve. Read other blogs, learn from analytics, and keep experimenting until you find your rhythm. So pick your niche, claim your name, set up your site, and hit publish. The internet is waiting to hear from you.